everyone, I'm Bea, and in this video, we are going to do a very exciting activity. I have here some Batavia lettuce seedlings that I got from our local garden store. They may look like tiny pebbles, but they are actually an entire plant conveniently stored with a few days' supplies of food to support themselves. In this video, I am going to show you how we can get them out from their seed coat by planting them in a coco coir medium. To get started, prepare the following materials: seed tray or Tupperware, lettuce seeds, spray bottle, water, hydroponic nutrients, and grow light. We're going to focus on growing lettuce here since it is the fastest and the easiest salad greens to grow in Kratky hydroponics. But you can also try other leafy vegetables such as kale, bok choy, arugula, and spinach. To transform your seeds into tiny baby sprouts, first, you have to go to your kitchen and find a Tupperware that can function as your sprouting tray. In a separate container, sterilize your coco coir by immersing them in hot water for 15 minutes. This process will help kill the harmful microorganisms in your coco coir that can cause disease to your plants. Dry your coco coir by manually squeezing out the water or exposing them under the sun. Fill your Tupperware with a sterilized and dried coco coir afterwards. Scatter your packet of seeds into your Tupperware and cover with a thin layer of coco coir. Take note that most seeds sold in garden stores have 85% germination rate, so it is better to drop more seeds for more chances of having baby sprouts. If you have excess seeds, place them in a tightly sealed jar and store them in a refrigerator to preserve the viability of your seeds. Using a spray bottle, mist your coco coir every morning and afternoon. Place your Tupperware in a well-lit area with a favorable temperature such as your windowsill. For best results, it is recommended to use a grow light as it provides sufficient and consistent light and does not emit heat that can damage your seeds. When you are using the mini farm grow lights, find a spot where you can hang the panel so that it is 12 to 15 inches away from your seeds. Adjust the distance once your seedlings start growing and have more light needs. Your seeds will start to break open in 3 to 7 days. Once they are bigger, provide them with half-strength nutrient water, as at this point, they might have already used up their stored food and energy. Continue to provide them with water every day. Make sure that your coco coir is moist but not too wet. In 15 to 18 days, your baby sprouts will become big seedlings. They will show true leaves, the leaves that come after the very first, which are a sign that they are ready to take on the world. By this time, you can now transfer them into their new home, your Kratky hydroponic system. And that's it for now. I hope you learned something today and you're able to enjoy our sprouting adventure. More exciting adventures ahead, so stay tuned and see you in the next videos. Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts and join our vibrant community of growers by following the link in the description box below. You may also check out our website at www.foodforest.club for more updates and info about our upcoming works and projects. This is Bea, your guide in this urban gardening adventure. Bye!